Have you ever left an ice cube out on a warm table and watched it melt into water? Or poured juice into a freezer and waited for it to freeze into a popsicle? When things change like that, they're changing state, and it all has to do with temperature. Solids and liquids can stay the same for a long time. But when it gets really hot or really cold, that can change everything. Let's look at ice. When it's in the freezer, it stays a solid because the freezer is cold. Cold air keeps the ice hard and frozen. But when you take it out and leave it on the counter, it starts to melt. That's because the warm air adds heat to the ice. And heat makes solids turn into liquids. So the ice becomes water again. Now what if you take that water and put it back into the freezer? After a while, the cold will take away the heat. That makes the liquid turn back into a solid. That's freezing. So heat and cold are what cause solids and liquids to change their state. But what if you don't change the temperature? Then they stay the same. A wooden block sitting on your desk will stay solid, unless something really big changes. It won't melt because it doesn't change with heat the way ice does. A glass of water will stay a liquid if it's not too hot or too cold. If the air stays the same, the water stays the same too. So the big idea is this: things change when the temperature changes. If it gets hotter, some solids melt. If it gets colder, some liquids freeze. And if it stays just right, not too hot or cold, things stay just how they are. Isn't that amazing? Temperature has the power to change what something is, without changing what it's made of.